Now you will hear a short conversation about cooking together. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. Ready to help me make dinner?
Yes, Mom. What are we cooking?
We're making spaghetti and meatballs. Fun to make together.
Yay! I love spaghetti. What can I do?
First, wash the tomatoes for the sauce. They are by the sink.
Sure. Clean enough?
Perfect. Put them on the cutting board. I'll cut. You tear the basil leaves.
Okay, smells good. What's next for meatballs?
For meatballs, mix meat with breadcrumbs and an egg. Get an egg from the fridge.
Got it. 1 egg.
Right. Then we'll roll them into small balls. It'll be fun.
I like rolling. Better than watching TV.
I agree. Cooking together is the best.
What is the conversation mainly about? What does Mark need to get from the fridge?
Now you will hear a short conversation about new classmate. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi. Are you new here? I haven't seen you in this class before.
Yes, I am. My name is Sarah. It's my first day.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Emily. This is Ben.
Hi, Sarah. Welcome to our English class.
It's good to have you. Do you need help finding anything?
Oh, thank you. I just need to find my locker later.
No problem. We can show you after class. It's on the second floor.
That would be great, thanks. I was a little nervous about today. Don't worry, this class is fun. The teacher is very nice.
Yes, and we work in groups, so you'll meet everyone quickly.
That sounds good. I'm glad I met you two first.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why was Sarah nervous about today?
Now you will hear a short lecture about whales. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, we're going to talk about whales, those amazing animals that live in the ocean. Whales are mammals, just like us, so they need to breathe air. How do they do it underwater? Whales have a special hole on top of their head called a blowhole. When a whale comes to the surface, it opens its blowhole and breathes in fresh air. Then, when it dives down, it closes the blowhole tightly. This lets them stay underwater for a long time. Whales also communicate with each other. They don't use words like humans, but they make many different sounds. Some whales sing beautiful songs that can travel very far in the water. These sounds help them find food, warn other whales about danger, or find a mate. So, whales are good at breathing and great communicators.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what is a blowhole used for? Now you will hear a short lecture about mountains. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, class! Today we're going to learn about mountains. Have you ever wondered how those giant hills are made? Well, it's a fascinating process that takes a very long time. The Earth's surface isn't one solid piece. Instead, it's broken into many large sections, like pieces of a puzzle. We call these sections tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but very, very slowly, only a few centimeters each year. Sometimes two of these huge plates push into each other. When they collide, the immense force causes the land to buckle and fold upwards. Think about pushing two rugs together. The middle part starts to rise. This rising land eventually becomes a mountain. This process is very slow, taking millions of years to form the high peaks we see today. So mountains are formed when the Earth's plates collide and push the land up.
What is the talk mainly about?
Why does the land rise up to form mountains?